Introduction to the lobby. So this box here, which will come up when you start Cube, is what we call the lobby. It is really useful because it will let you see all the different cubicles which you can access, and it lists them down on the left-hand side. It'll let you switch campuses. So, for example, if you are you have access to more than one campus, it'll let you jump between the different campuses, and that's quite straightforward. So I've got all the campuses, at least on this particular server, so you can just jump between them. It'll let you favorite your cubicles so that you know where you want to go. It'll let you do two other things which are important. Cube is about collaboration, so finding people is important. So there's a list of people, all the people on this campus, the ones who are live at the top. It tells you where they are, and if you select them, it will tell you what you can do. You can chat with them, you can show everyone the usual thing. You can go to them if you double click on them. If they're in a cubicle, just click on them, it'll take you to them. So but the real thing which is useful in the lobby are the pets, performance enhancement tools, possibility exploration tools, etc. But these are what we use for working collaboratively on Cube, and everyone on Cube knows a whole set of them. You may be familiar with things like hopes and fears and things like the gap leap and sticky steps. I'm sure you know some of their pets if you've come along here. So all you need to do is search. So let's say, for example, you're going, how on earth do I deal with planning? You just type plan into this bit here, and it'll pull all the pets which are associated with planning. And if you click on the pet, it gives you a quick guide here in the middle. So it says, what is it? You can read about what it is. Why do you need it? It can tell you about that as well. And it'll let you choose whatever is going to be the best pet for the work which you want to do. That gives you a good guide. There's two other icons here. This one here basically sends you to a web page, which you can then share a link with people who are not on Cube so that they can learn the same pet as you. Well worth having, sending it out before you have a drum beat or a session or a workshop, so people know what the pets are, they've read about them, it's not a surprise. And then this one here will just quite quickly pop out the pet so you can look at it and go, yeah, that's the one I was expecting. And it's all very familiar to me and I know exactly what it's going to do. So here you go, it's loading a little image. There you go, sticky steps. So oh yeah, there is the one I want. Okay, so that's it. So the lobby is really, really helpful. Other things on the lobby, up here, if you want to invite someone else to join you, you just use this envelope. That's really useful. There's settings here, so you can change your preferences and so on. And there's also help here. Help is useful because it helps you with things like find the best pet to use, how to spincast. Spincasting is part of Cube culture, drum beats, other quick guides, shows you how to switch campuses and so on. So that help list is really, really helpful. And it has here restarting Cube. So if Cube ever gets stuck or your machine glitches in some way, learning how to restart Cube, you'll learn from using the launcher. So that's what I'm going to say about the lobby.